Hello guys, welcome back to Terraform series. So one of the most frequently asked question from the students as well as working professionals is, sir, I'm a beginner or I'm a working as developer or I'm a working as some DevOps engineer for some X years. Can I write the examination? So the first thing I want to clear for everybody is Terraform certification doesn't require your experience. Even though if you're a beginner or if you're intermediate or if you're already working in real time with very good hands-on years of experience, you can write the exam. So as per this image, what exactly was seeing, who can take the exam? DevOps engineers and practitioners can take it off. Cloud engineers and architects can take it off. System administrators, solution architects, and finally anyone working with infrastructure automation and cloud ops. But trust me, even fresher without having any prior knowledge, they can crack the examination. So some of my students from previous batches without having any prior experience of working in Terraform, as a fresher graduate, they cleared the examination. So all you need to have is a right skill to clear the examination and a clear preparation plan. So don't worry, whether you are from non-IT or you're from IT, if you have good passion to learn the skill, I'm here to make sure everybody is going to crack the examination. Thank you all.